Hello, and welcome to I Will Become a Millionaire, the YouTube channel that is part financial journey and part education. Today will be my second net worth review video. Going forward, I will be doing these quarterly. I will be showing you where I have invested my money, and I will also be setting targets for my next review at the end of December. As I mentioned in my first net worth review video, I currently have a negative net worth. However, I will be tracking the movements on this and publishing the results here to keep myself accountable and show you what is working and what is not. Before I get to the breakdown, I want to briefly explain my situation. I am a trainee accountant currently on £18,000 per year, studying to become a certified accountant. My reason for saying this is that even on £18,000, I can save and invest around half of my income. If I can do this, then almost anyone can. In addition, if I continue to save 50% of my income, as my salary increases, the amount I can spend will increase, as well as the amount I can save. This creates a dual incentive. Okay, so here is the breakdown. These are my net worth figures from the start of June, the planned net worth figures, as well as the actual total net worth figures for the end of September. I have also included the movements on these figures and the variances. The positive variances are in green and the negative in red. I have my student loan debt of negative £14,227, which is increased by £66, which was not as much as I was expecting. My lifetime ISA, which now has £10,022 in it. This is what I will use to purchase my first house. I decided to max this out for the tax year, as this gives me 25% government contributions, as well as the interest earned on both the government contributions and the amount I have saved. This is why the movement is £3,375 rather than £2,400. As a result of the 25% contributions, I only needed to save £2,700 and I received an additional £675. As a result of maxing out this account, I will not be saving any more money into the lifetime ISA until the new tax year. Instead, I will put the money I would normally save into a separate savings account and transfer this into the lifetime ISA on April 6th, 2021. I will be aiming to have at least £1,000 in this savings account for the next net worth review. I also have £1,002 in my Trading 212 account. This is not increased as much as I expected, as I wanted to max out my lifetime ISA. For now, until the 6th of April, I will be investing much more of my money in Trading 212, and I'll be aiming to have around £2,000 in this trading platform by December. I originally wanted to have more cash in the bank, but overall this is actually decreased by £2. It is still a goal of mine to have more cash in the bank, and I will aim for £800 in the account by December. For those more graphically inclined, you can see the same information displayed here. This means my net worth has risen from negative £6,370 to negative £2,802. This is an increase of £3,568. My targets for the end of December are an increase in my net worth of around £2,400, putting my net worth at negative £402. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you didn't enjoy this video, please like and subscribe anyway. If you want a free stock worth up to £100, or you want to buy some of my recommended books, please see the links in the description. Please leave a comment below with any opinions, suggestions or questions.